Best car fixes Ford Econoline 2008 and up, 9, 8 and up with a security. This car doesn't have a security, but the cluster have a security and BCM. You see the BCM security, and we are trying to change the engine computer. The first, I'm gonna try to read the information out of this car. Okay, here is the Ford software.
Ready?
Hold on, I'm not ready yet. And let's see, just give me 1 minute. I'm gonna delete this, read the information. Okay, let's see what is there and try to read the information first, and I will go to program. So now go to session, new session, all others. This is only when you do for now. I'm trying to read the information. This doesn't matter. Okay. 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 Okay, body. No, I want to go to programming, but I believe you need internet. This one's supposed to work. Connect. Because without internet you can't do nothing. Hopefully. Okay. Gotta go to installation, PCM. Ignition on. I'm gonna look for the information. What the VIN number there? The last VIN number. The last VIN number is what?
Wait, the last one?
Yeah, the last two.
7, 5.
Maybe 57.
57.
57, yes. I'm gonna read the information. Online, get the software. الأخ أبو الصفا مصطفى، كيفك؟ أي حاجة لك ظاهرة له جيد، جربناه الآن. I don't know, I'm just gonna put it. I'm gonna say no. Let me see. Are you replacing the hardware, or has this hardware been replaced with the hardware? No. Don't know why is that. Just 1 minute. When I'm ready, I'll let you know. That BCM already programmed or empty? Okay, let me queue up. Now put it. Put the new computer.
Ready?
Yeah. Let me know when you're done. That's good. You done? Put the ignition on. Confirm. Turn the ignition off. Ignition on. Raising procedure. We're gonna wait. Yes, the dashboard is black. It's turned off. Accessories to download the software. We're gonna wait. After this, we have to do 10-minute relearn for the security, for the car to start, and we're good to go. Procedure, PCM programming. Switch ignition on. Ignition is on. Off. Check programming and done. That's the software. Now I gotta go back here. Body, security, path function. Click next. Okay, next, even though there is no key, but that's how it works. And this needs 10 minutes. Why? Because the key was not on. So I'm gonna go again. Let me finish this. Exit this. DCM. Ignition was off before, that's why it doesn't work. Yes, 10 minutes, you're gonna be parameter reset and everything is okay. So you have read the old computer, program the computer, do the parameter reset, which is a key code erase. By the way, the key doesn't have no chip, so you just have to do the programming between the engine computer and the body control module. You see the security light there is on, so stay with us please. Also, don't let the car your programmer go into sleep mode. It's not good. So if there is any programming, go inside there, turn it off and let the car work good. And you need to have this kind of specification. You see le niveau, Intel Core i7, you know, like Windows. No, this is not Windows 7 because it's already up. But get a good laptop with a good information, with a good capability. Okay. I'm gonna wait. Okay, it's finished here. I gotta click this, and then it say security guarantee. Just click next. Ask you what you wanna do. Say parameter reset, and then say yes. Say yes, and then you're gonna see here everything is good. Success. Go next. Success. Now exit from here. So that you're good to go. Yes, 22956. I'm gonna turn the key off. Turn it on, start it. Car start, security go away. Clear all the code, and we wait to see what happened. This is for 2009, and it's gonna go up to today. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. I don't know what is that mean, it's a small range, but we did our job correctly. Thank you again.